What's going on, everybody? This is a video to do the rear bulb replacement on the Ram Promaster between 2015 and 2020. I'm pretty sure they're basically all the same. But if you look online, you can find the recommendation of how to replace these lights, where you have to go through the rear of the door. Now, I'm converting this van into a VanLife van, so I've paneled the back doors with a brown, I don't know, cardboard, whatever the hell this thing is. I got it at Home Depot. It looked really nice at the time, but I wound up ripping it apart and trying to follow their instructions. After I did that, I found there's an easier way to do it, to get to the bulb from the front. I'm going to show you what I did first on the back. It's basically just pulling this thing off and just removing the bulb and putting that piece back in. Now, if you do my method, what you're going to do is take a screwdriver and you're going to undo the little metal pressure clip thing, and that'll allow you to access it. I recommend having tweezers to put the bulb back in, though, because it was a pain to try and squeeze it in because there was such a small opening. First method that I showed, it's going to be easier to manipulate the bulb. This method is just easier if you've paneled the back doors. Either way, it's a pretty simple repair, and you want to double check by turning on your lights, your front driver lights, and that'll show you whether or not there's any more error. If you like this video and want to check out anything else I'm doing, you can visit my website and send me some money, or just check out my Instagram for future build videos. Thanks for checking this video out. See you guys later.